You see, the problem with current gardening is that it is often challenging for people with limited time, experience, or physical constraints. Other than that, most similar products on the market use unsustainable power sources. You see, gardening is actually really important to help create a better environment.
We introduce you the in-home smart gardening system.
This project makes indoor gardening more effective and efficient.
Indoor gardening proves to be better than outdoor gardening because it is in a controlled environment. In short, this device makes your garden more self-sufficient.
Here's a rundown of how it works.
This product has 3 systems: automatic watering, automatic light, and a fertilizer system.
For the moisture sensor, it detects the moisture of the soil. If it's too dry, the water pump will transfer the water to the plant.
This is an LDR. It detects the surrounding light level. If it detects that it's too low, then the bulbs will turn on and provide your plant with light. Our fertilizer system is controlled by IoT. This app helps to monitor your plant.
It even uses solar panels.
And the best part is that it didn't even cost 200 ringgit to make this, meaning that it's affordable and has high market value for people with gardening problems.
What does it have to do with SDG9? Well, you see, the prototype you saw just now was on a small scale. Think of it on a big scale.
This project can help make agriculture more sustainable by increasing the success rate of crops. If all farmers use automatic systems such as ours, it would greatly increase the chances of growth for the agriculture industry. It would also help break the chain of supply disruption.
Thank you for watching!